Yeah, we are here at Lakeshore Boulevard. Lakeshore Boulevard. We are here in the Lakeshore, Ontario Lake. It's in Toronto on this side. So the other side is in Toronto area in Etobicoke. We're here at the Mississauga Park here in Lakeshore Boulevard. So this is the lake. This is not ocean, this is a lake. This is the Lake Ontario, the biggest lake here in Ontario, Canada, right? And this is my friend relaxing here. In this park you can play some other games. They have volleyball area here. Yeah, volleyball. Windy. It's not sunny today. The water is not clear yet. It's a little bit green. So it's not clear yet, the water. It's not advisable to swim from winter. So here, oh, nice stone here, brown. Nice one, nice rock. All right. Let's go. Alright, this is Lake Ontario.